Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Panasonic TG2357 Panasonic Cordless telephone. This is Andrea's equipment from Missouri. And basically, we have been into the telephone. We're in the process of troubleshooting. Andrea dropped this telephone, and she's got a note here, and she says that the receiver is fuzzy, and it's hard to understand people when she's on the telephone. And so what we have here is a replacement receiver capsule. So we're going to set that to the side, and I want to show you the telephone since this is the initial checkout, and this is the style that the handset's in. Now we have it apart because we were troubleshooting. Now the keypad is dirty. Something's been spilt into it. It needs to be cleaned, and you can, maybe the video's picking that up. It's very dirty. So we want to clean that, and you have to be careful with them because that's conductive material that hits the PC board, so that's going to have to be cleaned too. And they have these out in the trace type material, so basically your contacts for the keypad on the PC board. So that needs to be cleaned. So we'll take care of that and get that straightened out. Now, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and replace our receiver capsule. So we'll just go ahead and do that now. Go ahead and remove our connections. Put our replacement on. Get this soldered here. So our replacement's in place. This is our old one. We'll set that up here. Get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Panasonic cordless telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this Panasonic cordless telephone. And we went ahead and cleaned our PC board, our keypad, put everything back together again. I touched up a little solder I didn't care for, and also we showed the replacement of our receiver capsule. We're going to set that to the side. It's of no use to us. Now I also want to mention we use this amplified pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. And for those who watch the videos, they know what we use this for. And I always like to explain that because it is amplified. And so if there's any noise that comes in with a cordless phone, it's going to amplify it. Remember, what we had was Andrea didn't like the way her receiver capsule sounded, fuzzy, and it didn't sound good when the telephone came in. And so we replaced that receiver capsule, but I want to explain that a cordless phone has frequencies that run back and forth from the handset to the base, and that can override anything that's amplified. It can affect the video, it can affect anything that's amplified when you're trying to pick up the audio. So any noise that may be heard through the amplifier as we're checking the handset out will be because of the frequency interchange between both the base and the handset. So Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and start our final checks. So I want to go ahead and pick the telephone up, the handset, and we want to ring the unit with the analyzer. So we'll go ahead and do that now. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll set it on the amplified pickup and turn our amplifier on. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light there on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this telephone is ringing in at the base and the handset, it's dialing out, it has transmit and receive, we can push this button over here on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll call that number.
Good afternoon. Save money on insurance. Get a quote from Offenburg's Allstate Agency in O'Fallon and Belleville. Call 618-624-8937. Today is Friday, July 24th. The time is 4:21. Current temperature 98 degrees.
Mostly sunny today with highs in the upper 80s. Mostly clear this evening, lows around 70. Hot and humid on Saturday. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90 with highs heat index readings of around 100.
Okay. We can hang up. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll call that number. Turn the amplifier off, hang our unit up. Now that we know that this Panasonic cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Andrea and she can enjoy this telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.